Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to delete your GoCardless account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to GoCardless.com. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on Settings tab, which is at the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on Company Info option here. Now, scroll down to the bottom and you can see Close Account section. Click on Request Account Closure button. Now you will need to select a reason for closing your account. Click on this drop down box and choose any one of these reasons and check this box here. After that, click on Close My Account button. Now your account will be deleted after some time. So that is how you can delete your GoCardless account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.